Imagine a world where the human heart, one of the most vital organs, could be replaced without a donor. A world where a machine could take over the tireless work of pumping blood, keeping individuals with end-stage heart failure alive. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality made possible by Dr. Robert Jarvik and his groundbreaking invention, the Jarvik 7, the world's first successful permanent artificial heart. Dr. Robert Jarvik, a name synonymous with innovation in cardiac medicine, embarked on a journey that would forever change the face of medical science. He did not wake up one day and invent the Jarvik 7. It was a painstaking process that began in the late 70s. The Jarvik 7, named after its inventor, emerged from years of rigorous research, dedication, and unwavering belief in the possibility of creating an artificial heart. In 1982, the world watched in awe as the Jarvik 7 was implanted in a patient for the first time. This marked a pivotal moment in the history of cardiac medicine. The Jarvik 7 was not just a machine, it was a lifeline, a beacon of hope for those suffering from end-stage heart failure. This remarkable feat was not achieved overnight. The creation of an artificial heart involves a deep understanding of both engineering and human biology. It requires knowledge of materials that can withstand the constant pumping action without causing excessive damage to the blood components. It's a delicate balance between synthetic and organic, between machine and man. The field of medicine that specializes in this is known as cardiac surgery, specifically heart transplant surgery. But with the advent of the Jarvik 7 and similar devices, a new subfield has emerged: mechanical circulatory support. This field focuses on machines like total artificial hearts and ventricular assist devices, VADs, that can either replace or assist the heart's pumping action. The impact of Dr. Jarvik's work extends far beyond the realm of cardiac medicine. It represents a significant leap in our history, a testament to human ingenuity and our ceaseless pursuit of extending life. His work has paved the way for similar advancements in today's medicine, inspiring a new generation of medical inventors. To summarize, the invention of the Jarvik 7 by Dr. Robert Jarvik revolutionized cardiac medicine. It transformed the lives of individuals with end-stage heart failure, providing them with a lifeline. The creation of an artificial heart involves a complex blend of engineering and biology, leading to the emergence of a new subfield in cardiac surgery: mechanical circulatory support. This groundbreaking work has inspired numerous similar advancements in modern medicine, underscoring the pivotal role of innovation in the field of healthcare.